Ever wondered how some Discord servers lock channels, roles, or content behind special access? That's exactly what Discord's access feature is for. In this video, I'll explain what the access feature is, how it works, and why servers use it. I will not go into the very much detail, so if you want a detailed video, make sure to comment down below, and for this video I'm just going to explain the overall access feature on the Discord. Discord's access feature allows server owners to control who can see or use specific channels, roles, and features. Instead of everyone seeing everything, Access lets servers create private areas, premium sections, or member only content. This is commonly used for communities, creators, businesses, and paid servers. Access works mainly through roles and permissions. When a user joins a server, they're given a default role with limited access. Server admins can then grant special roles manually, automatically, or through subscription. Once a role is assigned, Discord instantly unlocks the channel, voice chats, or features linked to that role. Access is often used for VIP channels, paid memberships, staff only chats, course content, or exclusive community areas. Creators also use it to offer premium perks while keeping free content available for everyone. The access feature helps servers stay organized, secure, and scalable while giving owners full control over who sees what. So yes, this is Discord's access feature, simple, powerful, and essential for managing modern servers. So this was it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.